Hi everybody, my name is Phương. I will start my read now. Memoirs of a Parrot. Day 1. Wilbur's pet shop is closed today. Good, no rude people staring into my cage. I just sit and chat with TikTok. We're the only parrots here and apparently the only talkers. The dogs just draft all day. The fish don't even try to say anything. I think the cats might be able to talk, but they never do. Day 2. Wilbur's pet shop is open today. Bad. The place is packed, lots of strange people, and they're all talkers. They seem to think my name is Polly, and that I want a cracker. No and no. Day 3. What is with these people? They keep asking, Polly want a cracker? That is terrible grammar, by the way. TikTok says I should just try to enjoy the attention. Please, I'd rather gargle a pie cone. Day 4. I'm exhausted. Today, a guy spent an hour asking me my name. I kept telling him, Brock. I said, Brock, Brock, Brock. He looked very disappointed. I guess he wanted it to be something else, like Polly. Day 5. He's back. His name is Todd, and he won't leave me alone. TikTok says one day I may have to go home with Todd. Yes, apparently I'm for sale. That's a heck of a thing to find out. Go home with Todd? Please, I'd rather eat a pie of stingberries. Day 6. TikTok was right. Todd handed Wilbur some money and is taking me home. This is terrible. TikTok says I need to keep an open mind and that it could be very nice. Maybe Todd lives in a beautiful rainforest with lots of bananas and butterflies, so that could be cool. Day 7. Nope. Todd lives in a tiny house near a freeway. No bananas, no butterflies, and guess what he does first? He gives me a cracker. Seriously? Even worse, Todd is learning to play the ukulele. He sounds horrible. Do I have to stay here? Please, I'd rather kiss a rattlesnake. Day 8. Todd gave me another cracker today, and just as I was about to throw it back at him, I realized there's a toaster right next to my cage. When Todd wasn't looking, I dropped the cracker into the toaster and then snatched it out of mid-air when it popped back up. These things are actually pretty good when they're warm. Day 9. Todd came in today with another cracker. He said, say thank you. So I did. Croup, I said. No, he said very slowly. Thank you. So that's it. He wants me to speak his language. Fat chance. Croup, I said. He sighed and sat down to play his ukulele. Day 10. Here we go again. Todd has his language, and I have mine. Only it's worse now, because he decided my name is Echo. Echo, he says. Brock, I say. Echoes. Brock, Echo, Brock. This goes on for hours. Dude, give it up. Day 11. Today, Todd took me back to the pet shop. While he complained about me to Wilbur, I complained about him to TikTok. It's awful, I said. He won't even learn my name. But you've got a nice cage. Asked TikTok. Yes, very nice, I said. And he keeps you warm and dry? Yep, I said. Warm and dry. And he feeds you? Yes, I said. Toasted crackers, some figs, pretty good. TikTok said, he sounds nice. Maybe he's just not that bright. He can still be your friend. Sure. Day 12. So get this, after 2 hours of taught English lessons, he said, Echo, maybe you're just not that bright. What? Not that bright? I speak 17 languages. I can name all the moons of Jupiter. I can count to a zillion backward twice. Todd said, it's okay, Echo. You can still be my friend. Keep your fingers away from my big palm. That's all I can say. Day 13. Todd gave up pretty quickly today. It's pretty frustrating. He's learning his ukulele, but he doesn't really want to learn his parrot. He's lost. I'm not saying anything. My beak is sealed. Day 14. I'm sitting here eating a fig and listening to Todd play. He's actually getting pretty good. I know. Music and figs. How can I complain? But Todd either needs to learn to talk like me, or he can take me right back to Wilbur. I could explain this to him, but please, I'd rather set my feather on fire. Day 15. Good heavens, I nearly set my feathers on fire. Today changed everything. Todd went to bed last night, and I decided to toast a cracker. I waited for it to pop up, and waited, but it never did. Suddenly, a lot of smoke started pouring out of the toaster. There was no keeping quiet any longer. Todd! I hollered. He woke up, smelled the smoke, and just ran out of the house. Sure, save yourself, I thought. The toaster just kept belching smoke into my cage. Suddenly, Todd came running back into the kitchen. I thought he was coming back for his ukulele, but I was wrong. He came back for me. Todd reached right into the smoke and unplugged the toaster. He grabbed my cage, took me outside, and started fanning fresh air at my face. He saved me. I couldn't believe it, but he saved me. He pulled me out of the cage and said, Echo, are you okay? Are you okay? What else I could do? Thank you, I said. He looked at me and leaned closer. What? Echo says, thank you, I said. Tears welled up in his eyes, and a huge smile took over his sweet, goofy face. "You're welcome. You're so very welcome," he cried. And Todd said, "You're smarter than I thought." I said, "You're a lot smarter than I thought." He wiped the soot off my face. "That was nice." He set me on his shoulder, and we watched the moon come up while we waited for the smoke to clear. Things are different for Todd and me. He's still playing that ukulele, but now he plays and I sing in his language, and that's okay. He can still be my friend, my best friend. Todd and me, we're staying together for keeps. Please, there's nothing I'd rather do.